The Le-Matic PD edge band trimmer. Our exclusively patented edge band trimmer provides accurate, simple height adjustment, preventing scratches and damage. Each increment adjusts only 0.05 millimeters. Router bits can be switched out quickly and effectively. With a 30,000 RPM router bit, the edge band trimmer ensures a precise edge finish with simple and safe operation. A telescopic vacuum cover provides the most effective suction and protection. Radius trimming may be used for corner joints. The edge razor. A hidden edge razor allows for minor trims with ease. The edge band trimmer is also suitable for column edge trimming decoration.